learn the letters. Press the button. Let's learn the letters. Press the button. This is the letter A. A sounds like A. This is the letter B. B sounds like B. This is the letter C. C sounds like K. This is the letter D. D sounds like D. This is the letter E. E sounds like F. This is the letter F. F sounds like F. This is the letter G. G sounds like G. This is the letter H. H sounds like H. This is the letter I. I sounds like I. This is the letter J. J sounds like J. This is the letter K. K sounds like K. This is the letter L. L sounds like L. This is the letter M. M sounds like M. This is the letter N. N sounds like N. This is the letter O. O sounds like O. This is the letter P. P sounds like P. This is the letter Q. Q sounds like Q. This is the letter R. R sounds like R. This is the letter S. S sounds like S. This is the letter T. T sounds like T. This is the letter U. U sounds like U. This is the letter V. V sounds like V. This is the letter W. W sounds like W. This is the letter X. X sounds like X. This is the letter Y. Y sounds like Y. This is the letter Z. Z sounds like Z. Let's find the letters. Find the letter S. Find the letter S. P. Oops, not that one. Try again. S. That's great. Find the letter that sounds like P. Qu. Oops, try. That's it. Find the letter C. C. That's it. Find the letter that sounds like F. F. That's it. Find the letter F. F. Well done. Find the letter that sounds like G. G. That's it. Find the letter L. L. That's it. Find the letter that sounds like A. A. That's great. Find the letter I. I. Well done. Find the letter that sounds like V. W. Oops, not that one. Try again. V. Fantastic. Find the letter O. Q. Oops, not that one. Try again. O. That's it. Find the letter that sounds like Z. Z. Well done. Find the letter B. B. That's it. Find the letter that sounds like M. M. That's it. Find the letter R. P. Oops, try again. R. Well done. Find the letter that sounds like W. W. Well done. Find the letter X. X. That's it. Find the letter that sounds like That's it. Find the letter K. K. Well done. Find the letter that sounds like Qu. Qu. Fantastic. Find the letter G. G. Well done. Find the letter that sounds like V. V. That's great. Find the letter L. K. L. That's it. Find the letter that sounds like H. H. That's it. Find the letter Z. Z. That's it. Find the letter that sounds like K. K. That's great. Find the letter F. F. That's it. Find the letter that sounds like O. Oops. Not that one. Try again. V. Oops. Not that one. Try again. V. O sounds like O. Don't give up. Have another go. Find the letter I. I. That's it. Find the letter that sounds like P. P. That's it. Find the letter M. J. Oops. Not that one. Try again. M. That's it. Find the letter that sounds like N. N. Well done. Find the letter T. T. That's it. Find the letter that sounds like Y. Y. That's it. Find the letter D. D. That's it. Find the letter that sounds like B. B. That's it. Find the letter A. A. Well done. Find the letter that sounds like E. E. Fantastic. Can you find the mystery letter? The mystery letter is somewhere after G. The mystery letter is somewhere after G. N. Oops. Not that one. Try again. The mystery letter is somewhere before N. I. Oops. Try again. The mystery letter is somewhere after I. L. Oops. Not that one. Try again. The mystery letter is somewhere after L. M. Well done. Have another go. Can you find the mystery letter? The mystery letter is somewhere before U. Q. Well done. Have another go. Can you find the mystery letter? The mystery letter is somewhere after M. T. Oops. Not that one. Try again. The mystery letter is somewhere after T. W. That's it. Have another go. Can you find the mystery letter? The mystery letter is somewhere before W. T. Oops. Try again. The M. Oops. Not that one. Try again. The mystery letter is somewhere after M. Q. Oops. Not that one. Try again. The mystery letter is somewhere before Q. O. Oops. Not that one. Try again. The mystery letter is somewhere before O. N. Well done. Have another go. Can you find the mystery letter? The mystery letter is somewhere after L. A. Oops. Not that one. Try again. The mystery letter B. Oops. Try again. The C. Oops. Try again. The mystery D. Oops. Not that one. Try again. The E. The mystery letter is V. Don't give up. Have another go. Let's learn some words. Press the button. Let's learn some words. Press the button. Ant. A. N. T. Ant. Bug. B. G. dog. D-o-g, dog. Egg, egg, egg. Fan, f-a-n, fan. Grin, g-r-i-n, grin. Hand, h-a-n-d, hand. In, in. Jet, j-e-t, jet. Kid, k-i-d, kid. Leg, l-e-g, leg. Man, m-a-n, man. Nap, n-a-p, nap. Ox, ox, ox. Pig, p-i-g, pig. Quilt, qu-i-l-t, quilt. Rat, r-a-t, rat. Thumb, th-n, thumb. Twig, t-w-i-g, twig. Up, up, up. Van, v-a-n, van. Web, w-e-b, web. X-ray, x-ray, x-ray. Yeti, y-e-t-i, yeti. Zebra, z-e-b-r-a, zebra. Let's go on a treasure hunt. Find the ant. That's it. Find the kid. That's it. Find the zebra. That's great. Find the pig. Man. Oops, try again. That's great. Find the egg. That's it. Find the leg. Find the leg. That's it. Find the grin. Well done. Find the dog. That's great. Find the hand. That's great. Find the X-ray. Fantastic. Find the ox. Pig. Well done. Find the jet. That's great. Find the up. Find the up. That's it. Find the in. Find the in. That's it. Find the thumb. That's it. Find the twig. That's it. Find the fan. Find the fan. Van. Oops, try again. Find the twig. Let's learn to spell together. Can you help me spell the word web? W E B W E B web. That's it. Can you help me spell the word kid? K J. Oops, try again. Can you help me spell the word kid? I. Oops, not that one. Try again. Can you help K I D K I D kid? That's great. Can you help me spell the word jet? K. Oops, not that one. Try again. Can you help me spell the word jet? J E T J E T jet. That's great. Can you help me spell the word X-ray? X R A Y X R A Y X-ray. Well done. Can you help me spell the word rat? R A T R A T rat. That's great. Can you help me spell the word thumb? S U P. Oops, try again. Can you help S U O? Oops, try again. S Q. Thumb is spelt S-U-N. Don't give up. Have another go. Can you help me spell the word pig? Music time! Press the button. Press a letter button to hear a song.